How to join a mini league in FPL application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can join a mini league in FPL application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up FPL application on your device and sign in into your account. If you have not registered yet, you will need to do that via the FPL application or website. Once you're signed in, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom, head over to Fantasy. Tap on Fantasy. Now scroll down on the screen until you find an option as Leagues and Corp section. So under Fantasy, scroll down, there is Leagues and Corp section. So from there you have to tap on Join a League. Head over to League, tap on Join a League. And here you have to select whether you want to join the private or the public league. If you are about to join the private league, then you have to enter the unique league code which is given to you by the league manager and then tap on Join a League. You could also join the public league. Head over to public and then you can choose one from here, whether you want a classic or you want to go for head to head, then tap on Join a League. So that's it. That's how you can join a mini league in FPL application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.